Hi, I'm Stan March from Corporate Communications, and welcome to Distributech 2016. Distributech is held in Orlando this year, and this year's event is the largest trade show in the industry. There's over 12,000 attendees and over 500 companies presenting. So as you can tell, it's a very, very large event. The Landis+Gyr booth is located right behind me and right adjacent to the main entrance, so it's there for everyone to see. This year we've got a new look, slightly different feel, and we're full of subject matter experts. Let's go talk to some of them right now. Prasanna, how is Distributech 2016 different from previous editions?
Thank you very much, Stan. It's actually kind of very awesome to be here in this setting. So if you roughly compare this over an 8-year period, 8 years ago, similar size, probably a couple hundred booths, but everybody talking about smart meters, AMI, and network. Roll forward 8 years, no one talks about smart meters, no one talks about AMI, no one talks about network. Everyone is talking about a network that's already been deployed over the last 8 years, give or take, in the US, greater than 40% two-way communications, greater than 80% one-way communications. And so everybody's talking about, we're getting all this data. What are we doing about analytics? What are we doing about power quality and power reliability? What are we doing about grid edge sensors? What are we doing about the famous IoT, Internet of Things? Every booth here, every supplier that's out here now is talking about enabling the second-day benefits of what Landis+Gyr predicted 8 years ago would happen in this industry. Quite awesome to see. 3 years ago, we actually started changing the dynamics in this very booth. We started focusing on second-day benefits. We started talking about all the acquisitions that Landis+Gyr proactively looked into the marketplace, started owning these assets as part of our portfolio. In this portfolio, we have been talking about analytics, sensors, distributed automation, advanced load control, grid analytics. Everything that we have done in our portfolio is happening in the booth. We changed it 3 years ago. Everybody is now a follower for us.
Kevin, I just saw you talking to a customer about multifunctional networks. What are those?
So a multifunctional network is giving the customer the ability to use the network for things other than just metering, for distribution automation, sensing applications, future smart grid applications such as distributed generation are all going to live on that network. Also supports the public networks being part of our solution, as well as multi-utility gas and water applications. And to do that, we use a standards-based platform.
And are we a leader in this space in terms of using standards-based? Because a lot of people talk about it, a lot of competitors talk about it.
Yes, we're clearly a leader. We've got the largest standards-based deployment in the world. In Tokyo, we've got 5 million devices deployed. Our competitors aren't anywhere close to that at this point in time. The largest is about 1 million devices.
Justin, we're here at the load management section of the booth. What is it that you're talking about and how our product has evolved?
Well, Stan, we're really excited about how load management is a pillar of our solutions platform, works alongside the grid analytics and grid management platform, as well as battery energy storage and distributed energy resources.
Okay, so this isn't your father's load management offering?
Absolutely not. So when it comes to peak management, it's more than just load management. It's an important part of it on our AMI network, but those other two components are absolutely necessary and going to be key to the future.
Hi, Andy. What are we saying about battery energy storage at Distributech this year?
Well, a couple things. First is Landis+Gyr is coming out as a solution provider. It's more than just providing one type of energy storage. It's more about providing the solution that our customer needs. The second one is and it's sort of related, is we're across the landscape.
So how is that message being received?
Oh, very well, very well. The utilities, I think, today want a black box, but they want that black box to be able to deliver exactly what they want when they need it.
So Andy, battery energy storage solutions are unique, and they bring Toshiba's technology and Landis+Gyr's technology in a single solution. How's that partnership work with Toshiba?
It's working very well. I think utilities like it a lot when we can come in together as a package deal. Utilities have a favorable viewpoint of Landis+Gyr. They know Landis+Gyr and the solutions they can deliver, but they also know what Toshiba can deliver as well.
Thanks for joining Landis+Gyr at Distributech 2016.